Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on AGM Pad P2. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now go to settings. And now you have to scroll down and click on Google Assistant and now click on Hey Google and Voice Match. Then click here on Hey Google and now click on More and I agree, then click on More and I agree again and click on Next. Now click on Next again, then click More and I agree. Then click on Retrain Voice Match Model. OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. So let me try that again. OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now click Next, then click Next again and click More and I agree. Now you can go back and then click on Lock Screen and then make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. OK Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant now works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.